Okay, fáilte go dtí an Gaeilge seo gná level, okay, bliana trí gná level, ordinary level, okay, and tá mid ag fécinn der Saoire Sciála, okay, Saoire Sciála, it's a skiing holiday we're having a look at here, okay. So, féic an pictiúr agus féic an bhuclór nua, okay, so we've got loads of vocabulary here. Tá stór focail an seo. Okay, we're going to write these an Béarla agus an Gaeilge isteach I do cópléir. Okay, you have an option. You can use your artistic skills as well and do a little tarrying couple of pictúr isteach the cópléir, little cartoons to go with it. Okay, or if you just want to do Gaeilge and Béarla, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so what do these mean? Ag drapa sléifte. Well, what is this guy doing? What's he doing? He's climbing a mountain. Okay. Ag dul ag gcór cabla. You may or may not have had this experience going in a cable car. Sciána, skis. Ag lame, jumping. Ag chlór sciáil, snowboarding. Ag sciáil síos le fána, skiing down a slope. Clugged is a helmet. Ag titim is falling. Ag cathbh éadaí teo, wearing warm clothes. Ag bant lámhíní diet, taking off your gloves. Ag déanamh ceachtaine, doing lessons, which is essential. Pass sciála is your ski pass, which you need, and your maidí are your sticks. Okay. Cathaoir Chábla is a cable car. And there you go. Okay, so that's task a hain. Sin task a hain. Now, task a dó. Tá leibhiiscint an seo. Ag sciáils na halpa. So what do we have here? Tá sort of fógra. We have a bit of an advertisement for what? Pácáiste sciála, go dtí na halpa. A skiing package. Go dtí na halpa to the Alps. Ag gcóir 300 nóca ní. That's one of the cheapest skiing holidays I've ever seen. I don't know, that's on a shoestring because they're not cheap. So there you go. So fake and show, what are they advertising? What have they got? What's going on in all this? You've got loads of information there. Sciána agus maidí. Okay, your skis and your sticks. How much is it to rent? Daoine fásta. Grown-ups. Daoine óga faoi séideag is young people under the age of 14 or 16. You'd qualify for that, I'm sure. Okay, now ceachtaine, lessons, fáil gach lá. Okay, so there's all your information. Now na ceistena. Okay, céimhéad a cosnín pácáiste sciála go dtí na halpa. Céimhéad, very, very important that you know that means how much or how many. So how much a cosnín pácáiste sciála? How much does a skiing package cost to the Alps? Okay, Iver dó céimhéad sa teachtain, how much a week? Okay, a cosnín sciána agus maidí the Daoine fásta. Daoine fásta, not Daoine óga, Daoine fásta. Okay, so there's a lot of céimhéad there. Iver cuaig, cén tám den lá, what time of the day? A bhíonn ceachtaine siúl. A bhíonn rangana siúl. Rangana is another word for ceachtaine. Think of wrong Gaeilge. Class, so what time or do classes be on? Okay, because that's our being, isn't it? Habitual present tense. What time do they be on? Okay, or what time are they on? Agus iver a sé, cunas is féidir. Cunas atá tú. How? Okay, so cunas is féidir teagmháil dhéanamh. How can you make contact? Teagmháil is contact with Taistil Linn, capital letters. So who are Taistil Linn? That's the name of the company. Okay, so how can you contact them? All right. And there you go. Okay, good night, leat. Slán go fóill.